Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm not used to speaking in public, and so please allow me to have my manuscript. I promise I will keep it short and sweet. Welcome and thank you for coming and making this special occasion part of your life today. Those who traveled far and wide, those who supported and helped in the preparations, the bridesmaids, the groomsmen, and also those family members who were not able to join us today. Shout out to my only sister, who is in Florida right now, with brother Frank. And to my two brothers in the Philippines, and their wives, one each. We gave our daughter a pretty long name. Christian Monica Celis Dominice. And thanks to Ricky for making it even longer. Now it's Christian Monica Celis Dominice Marquez de Sousa. But still, she's still Monique to me. We named her after Saint Monica, whose feast day falls on her birthday. The day Monica Seles won the US Tennis Open. Never mind the day, the year. As a young girl, we thought that she would be a great singer because she cried a lot. And something that's emerging with my granddaughter, Cassie.
I don't know. Crying outside.
She also fancied entertaining customers. I thought just like a sales lady, or even an actress for staging dramas with her brother every now and then. It never crossed our minds that she will be taking care of patients and saving lives. Look at her now.
No.
Beautiful. Just stunning. Like a happy ending love story. Monique found her knight in shining armor in Ricky. Now my son-in-law.
No.
Son, welcome to the family.
No.
To his proud parents, we are now a bigger family. Thank you.
No.
And to Monique and Ricky, love cannot be measured. It's just this. So everyone, please join me for another toast to a happy and lovely couple. Mr. and Mrs. Dominice Marquez de Sousa.
Yeah. Wow.
So, mabuhay ang bagong kasal.
Yeah.
Amen.